tab right up underneath there that I gotta get out. And, well, I guess we're gonna have to drop the skid plate down. Let's see if we got the right. Sucker's on there. I chooched it with some stuff too. Yeah, I think that'll do it. That might give us a little bit more room. Get in there. I have had this out before, so I know it does come out. It's just a matter of getting the finger in there on a little keeper, and it's a twist. Just like that. And wait a minute here. Huh. Anyway, so this comes off of this somehow, like so. And this comes off of that. All pretty and bang spanking new. That was a tab that I broke off. Up in there. Then I got old O-ring here that goes on there. And yes, as you can see, I'm using official. As you can see, I'm using official Mopar parts. So, plugged that in right there, and then now this is just trying to get pushed back in there. So that it makes a good seal. A good seal. Alright, YouTube. Alright, YouTube, so what we're going to do today. Hang on here. Alright, so now that we've got the canister replaced, we're going to use the TopDon ArtiLink 201 ODBT OED scan tool. I'll leave a link in the description below. It's the first time using it, so I don't know how it's going to work, but we're going to learn together. Okay? Doesn't seem too hard. So, first, let's open it up. Oh. I bet you I gotta charge it. Let's see. See? Instruction manual. Let's see here. Let's see. Yep. Diagnostic trouble code. Yep. Got it. Monitor. Fire. Let's see here. USB port. Oh, you connect it to PC for software updates. I don't have a PC. I got a Mac. OK button. Blah, 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 blah. Well, let's go ahead and turn this thing on and see what it does. So, slide that over there. Connect it to the UDP, the ODB2 port. Hey, look, it works. Hey, it works. I'm going to turn the key on. I want to go to ODB2. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see here. Let's see here. We need to. Canister, leak fuel cap loose. Okay, is that it? Go back. Pending code. Yeah. Permanent codes. Alright, so we know that the code that we got, let's go back up here to this for a second. What else this thing can do? Okay. Get your data stream. What's data stream? Oh, okay. Okay, sure. Fuel system. Oh, wow. Oh, we could actually run this while the Jeep is on. I'm gonna have to play with it a little bit more before I make a video. But that's okay. Freeze frame. O2 sensors? Oh, cool. Check my O2 sensors. Yeah, let's see what that one says. Oh, device is not supported. Yeah, of course it's not. Probably gotta buy that one. Oh, look, we can go down here to the evap system test. Getting supporting data. Evap system link test not supported. Okay, that's cool. Anyways, I'm going to read up on the, Alright, sports fans. Let's see if we got rid of our check engine light. Hey, look at that. We got rid of the check engine light. But my gas cap light's still on. Why is that happening? Hey YouTube, thank you again for coming with me on this adventure of canvas, working on the Jeep. Yeah, it's hot out here. Anyways, as you can see, I've got a check engine light still, so leave in the comments what you guys recommend next. Again, I've already replaced the canister, or the evap canister. I've replaced the valve on the backside. I've replaced the brand new seal. And I still get the engine light. And I've also got a brand new Drake fuel cap that's on there. However, it's still not working. So again, I'm at a loss. I want to take it to the dealership to have them do it, but it's going to cost me $100 for them to diagnose it and tell me this is what's wrong with it. However, that is if they don't look back in my history of repairs on this and see that I've got a dent in my skid plate of my fuel tank. Go figure, it's a Jeep. I play with it, I play on the rocks. I'll leave a link in the description, leave a little card up here on the ride that I took with Stephen Cox at the Unlimited Off-Road Expo, or excuse me, Off-Road Ruckus in June. We had a blast. Anyways, yeah, so rambling over with, ranting now. So why is it not working? I don't know. But hey, I do want to say one thing. This little TopDon, yeah, the little TopDon code reader. That thing's stinking cool. It works. It cleared the codes for me. It cleared my check engine light. However, I got the gas cap light. So do some more research on that. But yeah, I'm gonna leave a link in the description for the TopDon link. However, it's not going to be an associates link because guess what? Amazon shut me off yesterday got the email saying that I didn't have enough subscribers, which means to tell me that I need more subscribers in order to get paid by Amazon to do this. But anyways, I got this from Stephen Cox. He's gracious enough to let me borrow it so that I can try it out on the Jeep and give an honest review. The link is going to be from his Amazon Associates account, so by all means go and buy it from him. He'll make some money on it, and then he mentors me through my videos. So anyways, y'all have a great day. I'm going to go get some cold water. I'm going to go, I got to go to the store and get some stuff because we're going to chooch some ribs tonight, or tomorrow. Tomorrow we're chooching ribs, but tonight we're going to chooch some Boston butt. So we got some pulled pork tomorrow. So you guys have a blessed weekend, and by all means, be safe, don't drink and drive. As Bearded CB says, shop safety is just as important as gun safety. If you don't follow it, somebody can get killed. And as Stephen Cox says, go out and fix something. And I say, if Canvas can, you can. What's the worst? You got to take it to the shop, get it fixed. At least try and fix it yourself. Thank you. Y'all have a blessed